right on the top there of the hill. There's a better view of it here. Way up high on top of the hill. Okay, here we are in Jaisalmer, and we're in a little hotel attached to the Fort Jaisalmer, and I want to show you the scenery from here because it's absolutely spectacular. We're sort of on top of the fort right now, or on top, sorry, of the hotel, which is attached, I believe, to the fort. And if you just take a look at these carvings, it's amazing. Out of sandstone or something. The sun is just setting here. It's about 5:45. And this is the view. And as I turn around this way, you see desert. And Vladimir filming the opposite way. Okay, here we are in the Thar Desert.
Nice.
We've just rode out by Jeep and to meet our connection. And our connection are these camels. We'll ride these camels for a couple of hours, watch the sunset, and then sleep in the desert. And then head back tomorrow and get in about tomorrow afternoon, about 12 o'clock. In my diary for, I think it was October 5th or 4th or 5th, I talked about camels. And I talked about how funny looking they were. So get a good look. And tell me that face you see right there doesn't look funny. Getting ready for the desert.
Oh
yeah.
Your leg is
Big leg, eh?
every day long.
Every day long, yeah.
This for neck.
Ah, very good.
Eyes not there.
Oh, okay. I can see.
Okay.
Ah. This is our first break off the safari. Chance to stretch our legs. We're way out in the desert. We've stopped beside a village. Which you'll be able to see coming into the view screen pretty soon. Behind the camels there's a village. What exactly a village does out all this way in the desert and how they survive, I really don't know. They must do something, I guess, have lots of goats and cows and...
Can I hire you expertise?
And this is my camel right here. And his name is Kalu. This is Kalu. I think he's resting right now. A little closer look of the village. There's your view of a desert village. Okay, he's going to make this camel sit. So watch this. This is going to be... That was fun. Oh.
I know.
You make him sit.
Yes, I make it.
So this here is our camp for the night. We'll be staying here, watching the sun go down, which is just over those hills. Alright, we made it. Here's the next morning. The sun is just coming up over the hill. The camels are eating their breakfast and we're waiting for ours. Let me tell you something, it got pretty damn cold last night. But it was good. Slept out, saw lots of stars.
What are your impressions after night in the desert?
Awesome. It was great. Sleeping underneath the stars. It's a little cold at times, but it was good.
Oh, he comes down. No, not at the sun, baby.